touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body giving.
So, good afternoon, sir. This is my notes, and I will present my report. Introduction to electrical machine. Definition of electrical machine. Electrical machine which include devices like motors and generator and transformer possess several key characteristics. These characteristics can be categorized based on their operation, principle, construction, and applications. So, electrical machines like motors, generator, and transformer are categorized by their operating principles, construction, and applications. Types of electrical motors. DC motors. Branch DC motors simply reliable and easy to control. They use carbon, brush, and commutator to serve current, creating continuous rotation, ideal for low-cost, small-scale applications like toys and small appliances, offering good starting torque but requiring branch maintenance. So, simple and reliable use to branch and commute good starting torque but need branch maintenance, ideal for low-cost application. Branch DC BLDC motors, highly efficiency and durable using electronic controller instead of brushing. This limits near and spark making like maintenance free and suitable for long life application. Common in electrical vehicle, drones, and computer cooling fans or their precise control and high power to weight ratio. High efficiency, durable electronic control, no branch, maintenance free, perfect for precision, high power for weight and long life needs. Permanent management. DC motors utilize permanent magnet to create the magnetic field, simplifying construction and increasing efficiency, often found in automotive accessories, windscreen, wiper, and portable power tools, offering good performance in compact size without needing a field winding. Pre-magnet Permanent magnet simplify construction, increase efficiency, compact, com, compact, good and performance for automotive accessories and part portable tools. AC motor, induction motor, synchronous motor, the workhouse of industry operating an electronic induction known for their robustness, reliability, and low maintenance, widely used to input fans and industrial machinery. They are highly versatile, but their speed is physically fixed by AC frequency and pole. Robust, reliable, low-maintenance industry workplace fixed speed used in pumps, fans, and industrial chemistry ay machinery, synchronous motors, rotate constant speed, synchronize with the AC supply frequency, offering precise speed control used in applications requiring accurate timing and power factors correction such as large compressors and generators. They can be improve overall power system efficiency but require a separate DC excitation and permit beneficial. So, asynchronous motors, constant precise speed and synchronized with AC tendency used for accurate timing, power factor, connection, and large compressor. Universal motor, unique for operating of both AC and DC power to due to their series wood configuration. They offer high starting torque and variable speed, making them ideal for handling power tools, vacuum cleaner, and blender. Their compact size and high speed and beneficial. So, universal motor ay masisyo universal motor pala operate on both AC and DC high starting torque, variable speed, great for handling tools, vacuum cleaner, and blender. So, ayun lang po ang aking electrical motor na notes. Types of electrical generator. Alternator, synchronous generator. Produce alternating current AC and it's almost common type for large-scale power generation. It used to a rotating magnetic field rotor with a stationary armature stator to induce current. Highly efficiency and patient and reliable alternator are crucial for power plants supplying electricity to grid worldwide due to their precise frequency and voltage control. So, ang alternator synchronous generator produced using a common commutator historical use for batteries and to modern rectifiers and more efficiency. So, DC generator or tinawag na dynamo produce direct current DC through electromagnetic induction. Use a commutator to convert the induced AC within the armature into DC. And thermal primarily used in other system charging batteries or applications requiring DC power directly to modern rectifier often convert AC to DC more efficiency. So, ang DC generator generate DC current used to commutator historically used for batteries through modern rectifiers are more efficiency. Induction generator, a synchronous generator, operating similar to an induction motor, but it driven above its asynchronous speed, causing its generating power to require reactive power for a grid for excitation, making it suitable for winds, turbines, and microhydro system, where it can be fed power back into the grid without complex asynchronization. So, ang induction generator operates above asynchronous speed, sustainable for wind and micro microhydro system, feeding power back to the grid. Magneto Magnetohydrodynamic generator generate electricity by passing hot electricity induction fluid plasma through a magnetic field without moving a chemical parts. Its generator have a potential of high efficiency and being researched for use in power plants, particularly as a tapping cycling enhance overall panel efficiency. So, gener- generate electricity from hot conductive fluid moving through a magnetic field researched for a power efficiency. Types of electrical transformer. 1. Step-up transformer. Increase voltage for primary to secondary coil while decreasing currently it has more turns on secondary winding than uh, the primary, crucial to transmitting electricity efficiency over long distance, minimizing energy loss and raising voltage for high levels before distribution. So, ang step up increases voltage DI voltage for efficiency, long distance power transmission, reducing energy loss before distribution. Step step down transformer decrease voltage from primary to secondary coil while increasing current it has per turns and secondary winding then than the primary, essential for safely delivering electricity to homes and businesses for lowering high transmission voltage to as able safer levels. So, ang step down increase voltage, safe and steel power delivered to home and businesses from high transmission lines. Insulation transformer provided electrical insulation between a primary and secondary circuits, offering safety and reducing noise and output voltage can be same as the input used to sensitive electronic equipment, medical devices and laboratory settings to project against shock and common multi-voltage. Ang insulation naman ay provide electrical insulation between circuits and enhancing safety and reducing noise in sensitive equipment. Current transformer. Current transformer. Current transformer measure alternating current and power system in step down are large current to a smaller measurable current proportional to primary current essential for metering and protection relay allow safe and accurate measurement of high current without directly connecting instrument to the main circuit. So, current current transformer ay measure large alternating current. Nagme-measure daw siya sa malalaking volt current by stepping them down for safe and accurate metering and protection para sa protection daw. Optional characteristic of electrical machine. Number 1. Speed torque characteristic. Describe how an electrical motor speed varies with no chemical load. Torque crucial for machine motors and application as different motor types, etc. DC induction exhibit unique speed torque curve influencing starting and operating performance. So, ang speed torque describes how motor speed enhanced with mechanical load. Torque crucial for matching motors to application, understanding performance, efficiency, and efficiency. The ratio of output power input indicating how efficiency electrical machine convert energy. High efficiency minimize energy waste, operation cost influenced by various losses like resistive friction, wind edge, and core losses. Ang efficiency measure to how to effectively electrical machine convert input power to output, minimizing energy waste from various losses like friction. Power power fraction. For AC machine, at the ratio of real power and apparent power and highly powered factor means more efficiency power utilization from supply, reducing current flow and improving overall system efficiency. Ang power factor for AC machine is a ratio for real components. Power and efficient power use index reducing current flow for better system efficiency. So, voltage regulation generator measure a generator's ability to maintain stable output voltage for no load for full load condition. Good regulation signifies minimal voltage drop under load, ensuring consistent power delivery. Guess a generator's ability to maintain stable output voltage from no load to full load, ensuring consistent power delivery. So, principle and theory of electrical machine. So, there they from law of electrical machine. Hindi nako ito dito lang nagtapos ang aking report, sir. Yun lang po. Thank you.